Hi guys, so today I'm in one of my guest bathrooms and I'm going to be decorating it today. So I've already taken off the shower curtain that was here, but you're gonna see that clip in a minute just because I thought I was gonna film this video a certain way, but then I decided I want to do kind of more of a talk through in this one. So yeah, so we've got the original shower curtain off that was here when I bought the house, and I'm gonna replace it. So I want to start off with the shower curtain just because it's like a solid blue and I want to see this color, you know, first before I start adding all of the other pieces. So we're gonna go ahead and add this. I did get it from Amazon and I wanted something that looked nautical or that felt nautical while also feeling classy, vintage, simple. Like there's just so many words, I guess. And I just feel like this shower curtain kind of nailed all of it. For the nautical, I just feel like the stitching, I don't know, just kind of gives that vibe without having like the obvious, you know, print. Like this one right here, I just have it in the corner because I want to wash it. I do want to keep it because I think it's so cute. Like this is just straight up, you know, ocean, beach kind of theme. I want to go for less obvious, even though I'm going to add a bunch of sailboats. So there's that. But yeah, this is stunning. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it here to this walk-in shower. The one thing I completely forgot about actually were the little hooks. And so I'm gonna use the ones that are here, but they have a very beachy feel, like seashells. So for now, we're gonna keep these until I do switch them out. So I'm gonna go ahead and add. Is what the shower curtain looks like. It is the most perfect shade of blue. I do have the window open, so I'm sorry, but the light is kind of reflecting back on it. Here's what the little hooks look like, even though I am going to replace them with something a little bit more vintage. I'm probably also going to replace this shower rod as well. I think I want it to match the hardware of, sorry that I keep pointing, I have to stop doing that, but I want the shower curtain to match the hardware of the entire bathroom, right? So the shower head there, and then the doorknobs, the faucet, you know, the towel holder. So I'm definitely going to update that as well. So you'll see that in this video, but later on. Now I want to go ahead and lay down the rugs that I got for this space. So we're gonna go with white. So I bought two of them. I have one by the shower and then I have one here by the toilet. Yeah, this is a very, you know, interesting space. So these were the best solution. Having two, I didn't want to like double stack there to put one by the sink. I think this is just fine. And now the second thing I want to do is continue on with the white. So I'm going to go ahead and add the towels. We're gonna add a hand towel and then the bath towels. So what I like to do to add a little bit of a layering effect is I like to fold a towel and then like this. And then I will go back in and add a second one here. The thing is with this bathroom, I want to add a little something extra, a little something vintagey. I don't know if I need to do a bow, kind of like tie them together. Yeah, I'm not really sure what all I want to do here, but I do know that I like this effect, especially for a guest bathroom. I just think that it looks really nice. Above this area right here, I've kind of been going back and forth. This was not what I originally had planned, but I think this is the right way to go. I'm still having second thoughts, but essentially I have this beautiful oil painting right here on a canvas. It's stunning. I think I got this off of eBay, and originally this was the piece that was gonna go above the toilet, but I have two other paintings and I think they'll probably be better there. So I'm thinking maybe this in this spot. Yeah, we're gonna do that. So now there's three walls here. This flat side above the toilet, and then this side wall right here, which I think I'm gonna be adding a plant, so we're gonna bring some like pops of green right here. So I definitely want some artwork here, and like I said, that oil painting you saw, I actually originally like scripted in my head to go here, but here's the reason why I switched it out. I have these prints right here. So I actually bought the print itself from Etsy, and then I bought the frame that came with the matting from Amazon. So super gorgeous, and I'm thinking that it will go above the toilet because I got two prints essentially. So this one and this one, and I think they should definitely go together. And I think there's the proper like wall space here for this, and I think that we need to take up a lot of this wall. All right, so now I'm going to change out this curtain rod. The white just does not flow properly, I don't think. I think it should match the hardware. I think it would just be more seamless that way. And then these curtain hooks, while they are very beautiful, I am gonna hold on to them. They're just still not part of the vibe. Again, this is more themey, gimmicky. I think gimmicky kind of makes it seem low, but I just don't know what the word is, but these just are not right for the fit. So we're gonna change these out for some gold curtains, and I'll show you guys the after. Next, I have to decide where I'm gonna do essentially like a gallery wall. So we've got this side of the vanity. You can see really tall ceilings in here. And so I've got that. And then over here, I have this photo. So I think one on this side for now, but I think having like them cascade down here would be really pretty too. So I just kind of have to decide that. And then I have this painting here, which I think this wall is good. I don't want to do anything else to this wall. And then when we switch this way, we have this empty spot, which unfortunately is not going to be done in today's video because I just haven't quite found what I'm looking for. But I want to do a stool of some sort and like a plant that doesn't go up very high. So maybe just to about like the light. So stool and then plant here. And then there's going to be all of this space. So I'm not sure what to do with that. And then I also have this whole wall over here too. So just trying to figure out, yeah, I wish I had an interior decorator right now because they could tell me, because I'm not entirely sure where to go with these spaces, but I do know that I definitely want to start something over on this wall right here. And now I'll go ahead and take you guys on the final walkthrough. So I ordered these navy tassels from Amazon. They're the perfect navy color. They match the shower curtain so well. I wish that I just had like the kind of camera where you could just really kind of see a lot more in one, but they just go so well with this bathroom, and I just feel like it kind of gives it a nautical nod. So I knew I wanted to do something with these towels, and I think they're perfect. It's really not going to be a functional bathroom in terms of using bath towels. If anything, it'll be a rinse shower kind of thing, and then I'll have actual towels that we can use for that, because there is a door that leads out to the backyard, you can see there. So if we were to ever like tan or have tanning oil on or whatever, we can just walk into this step-in shower from the outside without getting like, I don't know, the rest of the house dirty or whatever. But so the navy shower curtain looks great with these tassels, ties in together. And then honestly, this is the painting, the picture that started it all. I got this gem off of eBay and it's just absolutely stunning. It is an oil painting and it came framed and everything. And I love the height of it. I feel like it just takes up the right amount of space here. So there's that, and then we have the linen closet there. I'm gonna spin around this way. You can see white is essentially like the color that I'm using also with navy. So navy and white, it pops really nicely with the floors of the home, with the hardware. So I really like it. And then in this corner, we have these gorgeous prints. The prints are from Etsy, and then the frames are from Amazon. So, and the frames came with the matting as well. And then, like I said, I'm going to, you know, it's still a work in progress. There's little things that need to be done here. I definitely think something needs to fill in this space. So, and I just think a little plant would be nice. Having a pop of green, I think will make this look more homey and cozy. The question now moving forward for me is, am I gonna do anything to this wall? Which I don't think I will. Yeah, or actually I just don't know. The question is, I don't know if I'm gonna do anything to this wall or this wall in terms of painting. I could paint. I could maybe paint this little strip navy and that could be a really cool effect. I really don't know. So comment any suggestions, but for now I'm leaving it blank. Originally, I had thought I would do more gallery because I do want quite a bit of like photos, I guess, going on in here. And then when we turn this way, you get this area of the bathroom. So we get the vanity over here, and then we get the beautiful shower curtain. I'm obsessed with this shower curtain. I got it from Amazon. And then you can just see the after of this. It's just, it's so pretty. It's so much better. The rod matches the hardware. It flows a lot better. There's not like a break, you know, the white rod just created a break and it just didn't look as nice as it could have looked. And then the gold curtain hooks also are the right choice as well. I was doing black, but black actually didn't make any sense. And this was an opportunity to kind of bring like the gold detail, you know, that we see in the frames. So I think it looks really nice and I love it. It goes all the way down and then another mat there. And then when we swing around this way, this is what I just have going on for right now. I still have these stone pieces. I forget where I got them. Are they the at-home store? Oh, that's right. And then I filled them with some green. So I have a seashell there and that shell there. I like it. I like the green. I like the break in the navy. And I like, yeah, that green just really helps, you know, or else everything is like navy, white, and gold. And something about greenery really just makes the space come to life, even if it's like faux. And then over here, I have the hand towel, which matches the bath towels. And then I have this one photo here. I love it. I like that it matches like the hardware just in terms of the shading. And then there's that sailboat effect. It's also like an oil painting. And then over here is what I started. So I know this looks pretty odd and random to have put these little photos over on this side, but it's because I'm envisioning myself, you know, adding as I go along. And I don't want to wait to get everything together because then I'll overthink where it all needs to be. I feel like adding it as time goes by, it'll make it look more authentically vintage in a way. So that's what I got going on here. And then this painting is actually from my bedroom. I have a horse one and the sailboat one, and I was like, you know what, this one's gonna be perfect in the vintage bathroom. And then I have these little ones as well. Actually, they're slightly off, so let me fix that real quick. I fixed it. It's definitely a little bit better now. But yeah, so they're just little sailor children. They look super cute. And I got these from an Etsy seller, like actually one of my favorite Etsy sellers. So I'll link them down below. But yeah, that's why I went ahead and decided to go ahead and add it, as random as it may look or feel. Because this whole wall will be kind of a work in progress essentially. So I just wanted to like trail up and maybe even out a little bit. Doesn't have to be much. So yeah, so that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the vintage sailboat bathroom theme. Here's the light fixture in case you wanted to see it. It's what is throughout the entire house actually. And yeah, so I'm super happy I brought in navy, because once you guys see the office, it will flow so nicely. Like there's gonna be navy in my office. So I definitely designed this in my head, or like this way, based off of like my office. And that's it, you guys. I hope you were inspired, and I'll see you next time.